Hey guys, welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel. Covers a lot of all new Outlander stuff. Today we'll have a look at this. We will install black body side moldings on a white fully loaded Mitsubishi Outlander GTP. So this one even has the upgraded interior. I think side moldings are definitely one of my favorite accessories. It pops a lot when it comes to how it looks on the vehicle. So we'll install it right on the doors here, and we're gonna go with black. We're not gonna go body color, we're gonna go black. So we have this nice chrome line right here with Outlander chrome looking letters. So this will match excellent with the front chrome that the vehicle has and these chrome sidelines right here. So now we'll unpackage the side moldings, and let's proceed to the install. Okay, so let's have a look what's in the package here. So we do have these separate pieces right here, chrome and this body side molding as a separate piece, has to be installed 1 and 2. And then essentially the Outlander, same thing. So this chrome line is separate, this is separate, and then these Outlander letters, actually they're 1 by 1 install as well. Or you can take them out, install 1 by 1. Or you can do it the way I do it. So now, when it comes to installs, first you need to prep the surface, make sure everything is clean, there's no dust, no dirt, nothing, degrease it and whatnot, right? So I've done that part already. And the number 2, masking tape is always your best friend, right? So you wanna basically line up the side molding and then stick it with the masking tape to its desired position, and then just remove the double-sided tape, and then that's where the glue part is. So now first we want to follow this line right here. That's that horizontal design line for the Outlander. So basically it's quite easy. We need to find the perfect spot where we want the side molding to be. Okay, so I think I want it here. Done. Done and done. Okay, I like it here. So here's what we're gonna do. Make sure it sticks properly. So we flip it up like this, remove the red tape, and flip it back. Okay, gotta be careful, because once it's done, it cannot be undone. Okay, just make sure it's right there. Okay, perfect. Apply a little bit pressure. Once everything is done, then we'll apply a little bit more pressure. Okay, so this is on. And now we'll proceed to do the chrome line. Okay, same thing here. First we find the perfect spot where it has to go. There we go. And now we take the red tape off. I always like to put it on here a little bit before I apply the pressure, make sure it touches the side molding properly. Same thing, a little bit pressure, a little bit more after the video. Okay, there we go. We can take a little bit distance, have a look at the visual effect we have on this already, and then we'll do the other door. And this is for the passenger door, right? So we can see that Outlander, all those letters, they can be removed separately. So this one is a little bit more work, right? But here's the thing. So I always like to remove everything and then flip it and touch it, right? Because this one here, we have this tape right here that prevents for those letters to fall out, right? If you take all the letters out, then you have to glue them individually. It's just too much work. So now let's go, same thing like with the other one. So we line up where we want the side molding to be. Nice. Okay, a little bit lower here. If it's your first time doing, don't rush, take your time. I've done these moldings quite a few times, so it goes faster for me now, but the first one I did, I remember I took forever to line up, to make sure everything's fine, so I don't mess anything up and I don't have to redo it. Okay, now we do like this. So we remove the tape. And we'll be removing those letters as well, one by one. And then we'll do the install. Okay, now that this part is done, we do the same thing. We flip it over like this. Again, just don't rush. Make sure everything's lined up. Oops, masking tape failed. Things happen. Let's remove it. We'll be good without it. Okay. Right on. Perfect. So again, a little bit pressure, not too much. Once everything is added, then we will put a little bit more pressure. Now we need to install the chrome part. Same thing, line up with everything right here. Let it sit on the side molding. Oops. See, this is why we need to take our time, don't rush, and don't apply all the pressure right away. Gradually. Okay. All right, now we'll remove this part here. Oops, see, the T came out. A little bit more pressure on the T. Okay, now we'll do a lot more pressure now that everything's installed. All the letters, right? Make sure they don't come out. And this molding as well. Okay, there we go. Let's take a step back to enjoy the end result. This is how it looks. I think it makes a huge difference, huge visual difference on how it looks. It enhances a lot. I like how it plays with tinted windows, with this two-tone machined aluminum wheels. And it just like pops right out. And it's not that hard to do. So now we're going to do the other side as well. So just don't rush, take your time. And once you're done, it actually gives you a lot of satisfaction, a lot of joy that you did it itself. And to me, it's like one of the best things that you can put in your Outlander that makes the biggest like visual difference. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So there's going to be a lot more videos like that. Also, feel free to browse the YouTube channel itself. There's a lot of nice, good videos out there. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next video.